To fix a docking station that's not working or turning on, there are several potential reasons to consider. These include temporary glitches, power supply problems, or physical connection issues. Restarting the device is often a good first step. For laptops, this can be done by hitting the Windows option, tapping the power symbol, and selecting the restart option. For Mac users, tapping the Apple logo and choosing the restart option will achieve the same result. If restarting doesn't work, the next step is to inspect the power supply. This involves ensuring the power cable is firmly connected to the docking station, checking the cable for visible damage or wear, and replacing it if necessary. Additionally, plugging another electronic device into the power outlet can help identify a faulty outlet. If the issue persists, physical connections should be inspected. This includes verifying that the USB cable linking the docking station to the laptop is firmly plugged in, and trying disconnecting and reconnecting the cable after a few minutes. The power cord should also be disconnected from the docking station and then plugged back in after a few seconds. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a docking station that's not working or turning on.